I am so grateful to be here today, to be in this space at this moment and share this with all of you is one of the greatest honors of my life. For 125 years, our genius at DePaul has been developing people of substance and consequence to address the most pressing questions of the day. Recognizing the trauma of the last few years, it's now time to re-engage, to walk shoulder to shoulder with each other and recommit ourselves to our mission, each other, and the people of Chicago. It's time to build the DePaul we know the world needs and create the model for higher education in the U.S. As we forge forward in this new path, we must decide if we'll be the cow or the buffalo. Let me explain. When cows sense a storm coming, they run away from it. But by trying to run away, they maximize their time spent in the storm, along with their pain and frustration and fear that the storm will continue. A buffalo, on the other hand, they charge the storm. They run straight through it. They attack it. We can't control the storms that are coming our way, but we can design how we manage our way through it. We need to be brave. We need to be connected. We need to be a community. We need to be the buffalo. It'll take every single one of us to transform DePaul and to rise to our spot of national prominence. It is a bold responsibility in a bold moment for bold people. Tomorrow we begin.